My name is Roshun Austin. I'm the president and CEO of The Works Incorporated, which is a community development corporation that builds affordable housing, both multifamily and single family, for rental and home ownership. I grew up in a very distressed neighborhood or disinvested neighborhood in Memphis. And so from personal experience, I wanted to play a role in preventing housing inequality and lack of access to food and a lot of other things that impact families' qualities of life. There is a population of Americans who are low income, who mostly live on cash. They don't have revolving or installment loans, so that they don't have credit scores. And so typically they're not able to go out and get a loan. They don't have credit, so they can't get credit. We needed a partner that understood a different population, or they were willing to understand something different about a population.
At Pinnacle, I think back to when we founded the company, we adopted literally 6 values. One of them was fairness. That idea applies inside our company, but it applies outside our company as well. And so that's the kind of thing we're trying to do in our communities, is make sure that we can put something in it for everybody and produce outsized results for the communities by getting that done. Another one of the values that we adopted at the get-go was partnership. And so that idea of partnership is really critical in our communities as well. We're trying to make sure that we got partnerships where everybody have the same vision and start moving the thing forward, create all the synergy that comes with that idea.
For a person who's never owned a home and doesn't have generational wealth, home ownership can be life-changing. We know that housing is probably the #1 social determinant of health, both our physical and mental health, but also the health of the larger community. Tennessee has a tool, and it's called the Community Investment Tax Credit. So any Tennessee chartered bank can access funding based on their obligation of franchise and excise tax back to the state. They can access this tax credit, and they can loan it to partners that serves a population of people who would typically not receive bank financing for mortgage. Because we have a mortgage shop, we can service it on their behalf at no cost.
When you can put people in a position to own assets, to have something at stake, now there's some wealth that gets built that's able to transfer from generation to generation and build as it goes. And so it's one of the most powerful things that I know to work on to make sure we're taking everybody with us.
Pinnacle sought us out for the banking relationship, not just to be a depositor, but to make loans to us at very low interest rates. They wanted customers who others just thought weren't valuable. Through a program like the Opportunity Home Loan Fund, borrowers experience life-changing events. They don't have to be transient and pay more than 50% of their income toward rent anymore. You can put more money into after-school care programs or put it in towards your own education so that you have greater income as your career changes. Your kids are in a stable school, so educational attainment is addressed. They're finally getting a piece of this American pie that they hear about.